Hoodie by G. Morrison. A hoodie mint, a hoodie kra. Back in the days when I was sma. Oor hoodie kra would staan fair proud, but his titles been teen, so he's nae in a mood. A mutant strain is teen his name. They've still 12 legs, but dinna seem tame. They'll hop their heads to hide fae blame. If they're deeing nae gweed, they'll run safe hame. They've together in packs to watch the rain box, while stuck and out some pure easy game. If they're dancing around to their hoppity slaps, they'll tuck to their heels, a thoot on his shame. The muckle big shoppies sells him nae goods, if they tries to sneak in, while hiding aneath hoods. But as mutant strain will seen Peter out, as the time flees by to timmer their rage. And as for oor kra, he'll aye be about, while the mutant hoodie have passed at bad age.